Hello everyone. Good evening everyone. Myself Sairam Naganesh. I am an XCOM member and a lead of membership development and executive member in Circuits and Systems Society. And I need to handle this to Miss Amrita. She is the real quick. She is my fellow third year. She is my fellow third year and also the executive secretary for Circuits and Systems Society and a member of Women in Engineering RIT student branch. Amrita.
Everyone, this is Amrita. I'm RIT IEEE student member since July 2019, and also I am secretary of Circuits and Systems Society. Today, I'm here to give you an overview about what IEEE is, what will you gain by joining IEEE, and what are the benefits of IEEE membership. Okay. Firstly, let me start with the abbreviation of IEEE. What does IEEE stands for? IEEE stands for Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. Here, IEEE is the world's largest professional body where all tech enthusiasts, students, staff can take membership. And also, it allows publications, it conducts conferences, and it issues technology standards, and it also conducts professional and educational activities. Okay, coming to IEEE, it started in USA and now it has expanded all over the world, and it has more than 422,000 members from more than 160 countries. And most of the IEEE members, that is more than 50% of IEEE members, are from outside the USA. There are more than 123,000 student members, and 75 out of them are from our IEEE student branch. There are 339 sections in 10 geographic regions worldwide, and our IEEE RIT IEEE student branch comes under Art and Vizag Bay section, and there are 2,430 chapters and 3,284 student branches, and arts is one among them. And there are a total 2,266 student branch chapters of IEEE technical societies, and we have three. And there are 543 affinity groups, and we have one affinity group in our IEEE student branch. This is IEEE membership by region. See, you can here you can see there are total 10 regions in which IEEE membership is divided, and we belong to R10 region, that is Asia and Pacific region, and Vizag Bay section. Okay, let me tell you the benefits of IEEE. See, why should you join IEEE? You should join IEEE because if you are interested in any cutting edge technologies and you want to build a professional career in that field, so you have to, you need some resources, you need opportunities, and you need some network. IEEE provides you with everything that you need to build your career. It provides education and career resources to students as well as professional members. And you can receive the continuous updated knowledge in technical domain. See, once you register with in IEEE, that is once you take your membership, you'll receive mails, and besides taking membership in IEEE, if you are also taking membership in societies with your in interest of your field, you will have continuous mails regarding the events or any webinars or any articles or any publications or papers, etc. For any technical knowledge, you will have libraries, and also there will be some awards for volunteers and student members. When you apply, you will be nominated by our student branch, and you will also receive awards and fellowships. And also, wherever you are, your IEEE membership is valid, and once you take your membership, it will be valid for 1 year. And if you want to increase, you can renew your membership. And most of you might have a doubt that we are taking student membership, what if we move out of college, does our membership is valid? You will have different kinds of membership, not only student membership, and you can renew your membership throughout your life. And also, you can improve your networking, like see if you are interested in internet of things, and you want to meet professionals who are working in internet of things and know more about the career opportunities, you can connect to them through IEEE. And also, there are some worldwide conferences, workshops, and competitions. You can all participate in them with less fees or no fee. And also, IEEE provides grants for industrial visits and all, and you can all avail the scholarships, grants, project grants, etc. And you also can achieve leadership positions in your professional career. Okay. See, along these are like benefits of IEEE membership. Firstly, IEEE Explore Digital Library. I think you know that our college has a library, right? The IEEE Explore Digital Library is similar to our college library, and but the only difference is this is all through web. That any book or any article or any event, whatever you need, you can all access through IEEE Explore with your membership. Next is IEEE Collaboratech. What is this IEEE Collaboratech? Most of us are familiar, not most of us, I think all of us are familiar with Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Apart from Facebook and Instagram, do anyone know about LinkedIn? Can anyone respond? Even you can respond in chat. Oh, no one wants to respond. Okay, fine. I'll continue. See, coming to LinkedIn, it is a social networking site where you can find job opportunities, and also you can connect with many professionals. In similar manner, IEEE Collaboratech is also a networking site where if you register with your IEEE membership, you can get, you will connect with many people. Firstly, you are asked to opt some fields of interest. Based on your fields of interest, you will have all the feed in the website, as well as you'll also get to know about people who are working in the such fields and areas. Next, coming to IEEE transmitter. What is this IEEE transmitter? Say, for example, when you go to IEEE Explore or Collaboratech, you will get all kinds of feed or all kinds of articles related to technologies that are that works that are being or projects that are being held in IEEE. But if you want about one particular topic like embedded systems and so on, you have to filter out from that activities or that feed. In IEEE transmitter, once you give your field of interest, it filters out everything like articles or projects or papers, and it gives you what exactly you require. And coming to IEEE Spectrum, this is a magazine that is issued monthly, and once you take your membership, this the magazine or the link you will be mailed to you every month, and you can go through the magazine. In magazine, you will have some articles related to projects done in that month, or the events conducted in that month, or like some careers, I mean, some experiences of people with IEEE. Next, coming to IEEE Standards Association. For any technology to come, it must meet some standards, and that standards are decided by IEEE. IEEE standards are, IEEE standards are valid globally, and you can, if you are very much experienced in some field, you can even work with IEEE for IEEE Standards Association too. Next, coming to IEEE.tv. This is a website that is similar to our television. Like in our television, we have many channels like Gemini, Ma, etc. In similar manner, in IEEE TV too, we'll have some channels, but that is not like our entertainment-based programs. It is related to the societies or events that is conducted. And in IEEE TV, you can lively see all the summits or webinars that are being conducted worldwide. And in coming slides, you'll get to know how these explore, collaborate, transmitter, or all these web pages look, and how to sign into them. Okay, this is the web page of IEEE Explore. See here, you can search what any topic in the search bar, and you will also have some authors, so that you can easily search the topics or the books written by these authors. Not only books, you'll also have some articles and project papers too, so that you can go through them if you are interested. So this is IEEE Spectrum. See, this is a magazine. See here, you will have articles related to any technology or any project, as well as you will also know some interesting stories of journeys of many people who, who achieved great heights in their career through IEEE. Recently, 2 months ago, I have gone through Spectrum magazine, and I got to know about a person named Margaret who developed her career as a sound engineer through IEEE, and now she is a part of Hollywood. So she shared all her experiences and journey with IEEE, so that you can get to know many interesting stories about such personalities in IEEE Spectrum magazine. This is IEEE.tv. See, where you have channels or live events or education, and you can even save your videos that you wanted to watch or that you are interested in. You can even hear the events that have already happened, that are happening, and that are going to happen will all be here, and you can stream them in IEEE.tv. And if you'll also get notifications regarding these events when you are registered in IEEE. See, this is IEEE Collaboratech. By seeing this web page, I guess this is similar to Facebook and LinkedIn. Here, you'll first, when you register, you all your information, all or your profile will be displayed in the left side, and you can join communities. Like for example, there will be communities like if you're interested in machine learning. So when you search machine learning, there will be some communities who are working on machine learning, or who are in the career, who chose machine learning as their career. So by joining those communities, you get to know more about the opportunities in machine learning. Whereas you can also create a workspace. For example, you are working on a project with your friends. So all your three, for example, you are three friends, and all your three friends are in IEEE Collaboratech. So you can create a workspace where you can share your project ideas with all your friends or all your project members, and You can also add people to your network. For example, in Facebook, you'll have an option of friend requesting friend who you know, or who your friends, etc. In the similar manner, you can even add people to your network through IEEE Collaboratech when you want to know about, when you want to communicate with any person who is related to your field or your topics of interest. You can connect with them and you can get to know more about them. Ramna? Okay. See, these are IEEE technical societies. There are nearly 40 technical societies in IEEE, and our student branch has Circuits and Systems Society, um, Communications and Signal Processing Society, and also it is planning to set up Computer Society and Electronic Devices Society. See, what are these societies? See, for example, we are all electronic students, and in electronics there are many fields like antennas or circuits or embedded systems, etc. Each one of us will have our own interest and our own field. So if you want to go in your own antennas, if I am interested in antennas and I want to do a project, or I want to publish a paper, or I want to choose that as my career, i I have to join in antennas and propagation society, so that I'll know what are the researchers already done and what are the technologies that are in antennas. So based on your interest, you can choose to join any one of these societies. So how does IEEE work? IEEE work is collaboration of staff, members and volunteers. Till now I told you what does members do, or what does the benefits members get, and staff also has similar to that of members. But who are these volunteers? What do they do? See, the volunteers are the persons who are behind every IEEE event. See, for organizing or for conducting an IEEE event, the volunteers play a very important role. For example, if we have to organize an event, the volunteers approach the speaker. They do all the background work that behind the event. Like they'll approach the speaker, they'll host the session, and they will they'll take the registrations, and they will distribute the certificates. And there are many there is much work behind conducting an event, and all that is done by volunteers. See, here we have anatomy of an IEEE volunteer. That is, what are the main qualities that an IEEE volunteer should possess? Firstly, he must be open minded. That is, you have to be open to any idea. You should not stop at a point or at an idea or an a view. You have to have 360 degrees view on an on and you have to be open to every idea. Next, you have to be motivated always. Here you are the ones who are organizing the event or conducting the event. You are the ones who are getting knowledge through it, so no one will be behind you to push you all the time. And you have to be motivated always. Not only self motivation, you have to motivate even others. Sometimes you will be the team leads, and you have to motivate your team members for a fruitful work. Next, you have to have a positive conversation all the time, because this is just like a entrance to your it is just like a beginning to your professional career. Whatever you have, whatever mind or whatever attitude you have here, this will reflect all over your career. So you have to be always positive minded, and you'll have to always have a positive conversation with anyone in your network. Next, you have to be a tech enthusiast. This is the most important because many of the students they'll have good scores in subjects, or they'll have their rankers, but that doesn't matter here. What you all need is enthusiasm in technology. Next, you must also be dedicated to the work whatever you do, because this dedication not only helps you here, but this helps you in all your career. And also you'll gain a beautiful experience through IEEE volunteering, because IEEE volunteering is not just technical or non-technical, it's complete. I mean, it's a collaboration of both technical and non-technical aspects. And also I promise you, you'll also have joy of volunteering. And the IEEE student branch of RIT. Now I hand over to Priyanka, who will continue this.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, M. Sai Priyanka, RIT student branch. IEEE RIT was established in 2014 in collaboration with Department of ECE. Since then, IEEE have been the major student community of RIT. Our IEEE student branch comes under Region 10, Vizag Bay session. This is the overall increment of the members in the past years. From 2016 to 2019, there is a drastic change, but it is quite slow. These are the societies of our student branch: IEEE Women in Engineering, IEEE Signal Processing Society, IEEE Comstock, and CAS Society. Our journey started from 17 members, now extended to 70 members, as in the before graph shown. IEEE helped us gain cutting-edge knowledge on latest development in engineering and technology. Now I just want to tell you the faculty advisors who have supported us at every point. Dr. PSR Chowdhury Sir, Branch Counselor IEEE SBRIT, EC member of IEEE Vizag Bay section. Dr. VVSS Samir Chakravarti Sir, Vice Chair Comsoc SPS Joint Society Chapter, IEEE Vizag Bay section. Mr. BSSV Ramesh Babu Sir, Secretary, IEEE Education Society, IEEE Vizag Bay section, and Mrs. P. Kusumawani Ma'am, WIE Advisor, RIT Student Branch. This is the executive committee members of 2020 to 2021, including third and fourth years. Now I'm just gonna give you a brief about all the events so far conducted through the IEEE. IoT and ML workshop, Internet of Things and Machine Learning workshop, is a hands-on workshop conducted by our Circuits and Systems Society, in which 7 members from the society served as teaching assistants in this workshop. And there were more than 60 students as participants from outside our colleges. Since it's hands-on, Arduino kits with sensors and Raspberry Pi are provided for the students. The projects that they developed, I'll just give you the brief on what all they developed. They are integrating Google Assistant with the Arduino, measuring distances with ultrasonic sensor using DHT11, calculating the room temperature and uploading to the cloud. It was a different experience for the members to work. It was a 2-day program. IEEE Extreme Programming Competition 13.0. This was an excellent experience that we had for a 1 day. It is a teamwork which we can show our skills and talent toward the coding. We all worked at college, and it was a wonderful experience staying at the college for overnight to crack the codes, etc. And it was basically all depended on the teamwork with everyone. These are the scores and ranks that we secured last year. That is, the highest rank was 306, impossible team, and it was country rank was 31 and school rank was first. This was the yesterday's program. Due to the pandemic, we couldn't gather at college, but it was so nice to join till continuously from morning to the next day 5 a.m. with the students and faculties. We have finally cracked a very good score. This is the yesterday's score. That is the highest rank is 30th. It is the worldwide competition which is open to every one of you to register and attempt. Now, this is one of the most prestigious international conference meeting held at our college. It was mainly about the paper publication in IEEE. We hosted the event and the students of RIT branch acted as the volunteers it for the last 2 days. Many research scholars across India have gathered on these days. Subsection Student Congress 2020. Subsection Student Congress is an event conducted by the Vizag Bay section. These events are conducted to each other with the other student branches and how much progress we made as a student branch in Vizag Bay section. We had cultural activities, prize distributions, whatnot. We had a good number of active participations. Overall, it was a great event to know new people to work with. Atal Tinkering Labs. This comes under our technology outreach program, where we went to a school named Vignan Vihar, which has a lab provided by the government. Before I tell you what all things we have done here, I just want you to tell something special, that one talented product out of the school who was the honorable member, Dr. PSR Chowdhury sir, who is a branch counselor, IEEE, SBRIT, EC member of IEEE, Vizag Bay section. He was the member of that school. I just want you to tell what all the events we have done there and what are the things we got. The lab consists of various Arduino sensor drone kits, shouldering kits, 3D printers. What not could a student get at that age? It was new to every one of them, and the setup was extraordinary that all over the schools got. Our, our seniors and some of the students from IEEE worked with them, and they have brought up with new projects like smart dustbin, RFID, tollgate, Bluetooth control door. Coming to the blockchain integration, this was held at Geetam University, where our seniors and friends participated in the event and got prizes on the held competitions. It's quite appreciative for them to work with skills to participate. Web Development 101. This is quite interesting section where we learn to create a website, as even we had an online session. I feel happy to tell you guys that the person was teaching was the alumni of Raghu Institute. The best part of the workshop was a few active students of IEEE worked with her to learn the topic, and we on that day of the workshop helped the participants to do the work. Guest lectures. We people have lot of guest lectures to know newer things and technologies. There are n number of professionals, not only from nearby colleges, even faculty of NIT and IIT visit to our college and encourage every one of you. These were times where we left with goosebumps to meet such great people to work with. Even when at a critical conditions, we are given an opportunity to get knowledge on unknown concepts, I mean during pandemic. So this success of IEEE is not just by one person. Every member of the IEEE, either a faculty or a student, put all their efforts to take this success with a high graph. IEEE not only improves your skills and knowledge in the so far events,
This is all about our IEEE student branch and all the benefits of IEEE student branch. Now I handle it over to Mona Lisa, Vice Chair of RIT student branch.
So, hello everyone. This is Mona Lisa. I vice chair of IEEE student branch. So, our chair is absent today because he have some exams. As you know, JNTU fourth year people are having 3-2 examinations. So, behalf of him, let me thank you everyone who have attended this session. So, why you need to join IEEE and what our RIT have conducted events have already explained by Amrita and Priyanka. But let me share you our experience as an IEEE student member. Before we have joined the IEEE, we really don't know what IEEE is. But after we have joined, let me tell you, we are far better than non-IEEE people because they never attended any webinars, workshops. They have never been volunteers, teaching assistants, etc. We really learned many things in IEEE. Like, did you ever listen to IoT things and web development and all? They are rather big, right? They don't teach you in classes. When you sit in classes, they just teach you theory, nothing in practical. Even what you do in labs are not, I don't say not completely useful in your daily life, but they're less useful when compared to this web development, IoT things and all. If you learn this, you'll get job, right? So in IEEE, first when we have joined, they have conducted these workshops and web development and all. We have learned a lot. Not only that, we have went to school as Priyanka already told you. So there we have really surprised that small students like 9th, 10th people are telling us about Arduinos, which we came to know about those in second and first year. So isn't it surprising that we don't know anything and 10th, 9th, 8th students have already known it? And I can tell you many non-IEEE people may not know that. So you can learn more in this IEEE. Not only that, we have also increased our IEEE volunteering experiences. Let me tell you, we have also contacted American people who are staying at America, and we have already conducted more than 17 events in this pandemic period, and in that almost 2 to 4 members are from abroad, and contacting them, talking to them, everything are making us to improve our networking skills. I think if you sit idly at in the class and knowing nothing about the world, and these things may not help you to get a job, right? If you have something extra, something more than being a student, you need to be a professional, right? So I think IEEE will be definitely useful to you. When you join IEEE, you can add it in your resume that yeah, I have done something in my engineering and I have improved something in engineering. I know this. You can tell them that when compared to non-IEEE people. So is there anyone who have any doubts regarding anything and or you want to join IEEE and you have certain issues that you want to ask? Please free to talk.
You can mute yourself or ask in the chat box. They are just 3 years,
Anything
1
will be
year
okay.
ahead of you. 1 year ahead of you. Nothing really matters. No,